If YouTube isn't working on your Onida TV, don't worry. There are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to fix the issue. First, check your internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or Ethernet cable. A weak or unstable connection can cause YouTube to fail or buffer excessively. Restarting your router and TV can also resolve temporary network glitches. Next, make sure the YouTube app on your Onida TV is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps often have bugs that lead to crashes or playback issues. If updates aren't automatic, check your TV's app store for the latest version of YouTube. Clearing the app's cache can also help. Go to your TV's settings, locate the YouTube app, and select Clear Cache or Reset App to remove corrupted data. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube app to ensure a fresh start. Additionally, check if your Onida TV's firmware is up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. If none of these solutions work, test YouTube on another device using the same network to determine if the issue is with your TV or internet service. Let us know in the comments if this guide helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.